teach you how to make this noise. First, you open your mouth. Make sure that your tongue is right in the middle of your mouth. Or the back. Put your finger up and your feel bone. Put it behind there or in front of it or on it, and make sure you're like this. And you can do this with it. And make it louder. You put your tongue on your tooth. That's it.